Well, welcome back here to Apparently I Know Nothing. Because of that, we're going to attempt a new style of stencil. This is just plain ordinary 8.5 by 11 paper with some silhouettes of, yeah, that's right. If you haven't guessed this, you need to get the hell out of your house more often, because if you don't know what this is from, you need to figure that stuff out. You need to fix your life. What is wrong with you? If you don't know what Tombstone is, like I said, you need to fix your life. Either way, we're going to go ahead and work on this. I'm going to hyperlapse the whole thing. We're going to get this video done as quickly as possible. Hopefully it works out, because if it don't, you ain't ever seen it.